Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today I am going to review Cara paraben free glycerin soap. 4 soaps, 125 gram each. Retails for price 300 rupees, but there is 61% discount on the Flipkart right now. So 115 rupees become the price. Available on the Flipkart, and this is non-sponsored video. The product is made in India. Let's see what is mentioned on the packaging. 98% pure glycerin. These are the ingredients mentioned: sodium stearate, sodium pergranolate, aqua, propylene glycol, sugar, sodium lauryl sulfate, glycerin, sodium chloride, disodium ethylamine tetraacetic acid, cocamidо propyl butane, cocodimethyl amine, butylated hydroxytoluene, perfume, and 4 colorants. This is paraben free, triclosan free soap. Total 500 gram quantity, suitable for men and women. And here is my review. I have oily acne prone skin, and this soap worked fine for me. It didn't cause any irritation and cleanses the skin properly without leaving a thin film behind. It also doesn't dry out the skin, which I appreciated. The main issue for me is the fragrance. It's very strong and a bit too overpowering. I also feel the soap has more colorants than necessary. Apart from that, it performs well and is an affordable option for daily use. For clarity, I only use it on my body and not on my face. Overall, it's an average product that does its job, but the strong fragrance is something I personally can't handle. I will not repurchase it. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.